You are watching the MUF Academy, the MUF Academy, the MUF Academy.
30 days, 30 topics.
Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about Ostwald's process from p-block elements. The conversion of ammonia into nitric acid involves the following steps. The first step is the oxidation of ammonia to nitric oxide. Ammonia is oxidized by atmospheric air in the presence of platinum, which acts as a catalyst at 500 Kelvin and 9 atmospheric pressure to give nitric oxide. And finally, in this step 2, nitric oxide is again oxidized to nitrogen dioxide. Further, nitrogen dioxide is sent through a chamber which reacts with water, forming nitric acid. Finally, nitric acid is sent to a chamber for purification, and finally we get 98% of nitric acid. When we try to discuss the but the equation for nitric acid is as follows. The preparation of ammonia from nitric acid involves the following equational steps. First step, as we discussed, oxidation of ammonia to nitric oxide. So the first step is oxidation, that is ammonia is oxidized to form nitric oxide plus 6H2O. So all are gaseous and it needs 4 ammonia plus 5 times of O2 and we get 4 nitric oxide plus 6H2O, and it has a catalyst, that is platinum gauze at 500 Kelvin and 9 bar atmospheric pressure. And step 2 involves oxidation of nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide. So nitric oxide is again oxidized, both are gaseous, forming nitrogen dioxide. So when we try to balance, that is 2, and we got 2 nitrogen dioxide. And the next step is formation of nitric acid. Nitrogen dioxide is passed through water, forming nitric acid, that is HNO3. So which is again, here we get aqueous solution, water is liquid and nitrogen dioxide is gas. And when we try to balance it, we need 3NO2 plus H2O, giving aqueous nitric acid, that is 2HNO3 plus again we get 1 nitric oxide, which is again recycled. And finally HNO3 is sent through purification chamber where we get finally 98% of nitric acid.